Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into the bustling, microscopic world living right inside you. Ever wonder how your cells do so much? Just think of every cell as a busy manufacturing factory. Each part has a specific job. The nucleus holds all the instructions, exactly like the boss's office. Ribosomes actually build the products. Then, the endoplasmic reticulum acts as a massive highway, transporting them around. But every factory needs security, right? The cell membrane is selectively permeable, acting as the ultimate gatekeeper. It uses a fluid mosaic model. Here, embedded proteins literally act as custom security gates for all materials. So here is a question. Why do a plant's factory walls look totally different than an animal's? Well, plants need a rigid cell wall to stay standing. Animal cells don't, which allows flexible movement. See those brick-like, rigid structures? That tough cellulose is exactly what keeps a tall tree from flopping over. Since we lack those rigid walls, our animal cells can easily change shape, letting us run and jump. Now you might be wondering, are all these living factories built exactly the same way? No way. Prokaryotic cells are tiny and primitive without a nucleus, but eukaryotic cells are larger and super complex. Just look at the difference. A simple bacterial factory versus our massive, highly organized eukaryotic factory. Wild, right? Do these factories run forever? Nope. Cells actually have a planned shutdown process called programmed cell death. Without this, you'd literally have webbed hands. What other wild secrets are hiding inside your trillion cellular factories?